Happening today, the Supreme Court tackling a big issue, a hot button issue that always sparks conversation. It is set to hear arguments in a landmark case that could shape the future of care for transgender minors.
Yeah, the key question is, do states have the authority to ban gender-affirming care for those minors? And it could be a turning point in the ongoing debate across the country. Natalie Haddad is in our newsroom this morning. And Natalie, a lot of folks will be tuning in for this one because you've got quite a few states who have some kind of legislation on the books about this type of care.
That's right. Nearly 24 of them, or rather more than 24. Mark and Kara, today the Supreme Court is hearing arguments in its second major transgender rights case. This time it's out of Tennessee. A decision isn't expected for several months, but what happens with this could translate to what happens in other states in the future, as it so often does. Currently, Tennessee law bans puberty blockers and hormone treatments for transgender minors. The state acknowledges that the same banned treatments can be prescribed for other reasons, but says its law is meant to protect minors from the risks of, quote, life-altering gender transition procedures. Now, while more recent data isn't available yet, health technology company Komodo Health says 17,600 children between ages 6 and 17 started taking puberty blockers between 2017 and 2022. There are 25 other states that have also banned gender-affirming treatments with minors, some of them facing other lawsuits. Tennessee's case does come before conservative Supreme Court. It also comes before Donald Trump's second presidency. President-elect Trump campaigned on rolling back protections for transgender people, Mark.
And Natalie, we know the first time that the Supreme Court faced a case like this, it was out of here in Texas. What was the outcome in that one?
So this was just last year. Texas has banned doctors from prescribing puberty blockers and hormone treatments to minors. I covered this heated debate at the Capitol last year, including protests that erupted there, an evacuation of the Capitol over those protests. LGBTQ groups and medical professionals sued the state over this. But just this summer, in June, the U.S. Supreme Court upheld the law in Texas, Kara.
All right, Natalie, thanks for the update.